Hi everyone, this is Matt from Soft Solutions here today with a sneak peek look at the beta units for Grandstream, the DP752, which is the base station, and the DP722. So the DP752, let's have a look. Smart looking unit. With our notification lights on the front, it looks very sleek. Smooth contours are also very, very nice. You can see we've got our micro USB underneath for power, so gone away are the proprietary formats with the ugly wall wart AC adapters, and we have a network port here as well. Having a look at the DP722. Comes with a nice instruction manual. Very nicely packaged as well. So we can see the DP722. Very nice sleek phone with an HD speaker on the back. Very nice hand feel. It has a decent feel to it, solid build quality. Power appears to be... So there is a proprietary connection there on the bottom. I remember with the older models they did have a micro USB port, and there it is. So we have both the ability to charge via micro USB and also via the base station as well. Also included in the box are batteries, a belt clip, and a AC adapter as well. The range listed in the outdoor environment for the 752 is 400 meters, which I imagine would be line of sight, so maybe considerably less with a few things in the way. But it does support full HD audio, and the 752 will take up to 5 of these handsets, which is very, very nice. Also of note with the 752, the network port on the bottom does feature power over Ethernet, so a lot more simplistic without having to power the device via a separate AC adapter, which is very, very nice to see. Very nice little units, I must say. So all in all, I think when these come out of beta, they're going to be smashing little units. Please join me next time for the next unboxing. Thank you.